This strategy has more than 50% win rate with minimum risk to reward 1 to 2. Start with backtesting results. Okay, I backtested it like 3 years past birth date, but I'm doing right now backtesting last year. It will be like 4 year. Okay, 4 years past birth date. So right now we have win rate 55%, total trades 82%, total reward it's 76.1. If we will look like money, then 72,000, so it's 72%. Okay, uh, average risk reward 3.2 with minimum risk reward 1 to 2. Okay, consistency it's 50%, win streak 4, low streak it's 3. You can actually pass your account with this winning streak, and losing streak it's 3 in futures. If you will risk 1%, then yeah, of course, if you will blow your account in futures, but if you are not futures trading, you are not trade in futures, then you will not blow your account. Okay, even like with this win streak, you can pass in futures, in CFDs. You know what I'm saying? So low streak it's 3, but you know, if you will have a losing streak in futures, then okay, you blow your account, buy a new one, and you will pass the new one account. Okay, it's just losing streak. We have in trading losing streak, we have winning streak. It's okay. Okay, it's okay, guys. And right here, direction, average risk reward, long with win rate. Let's look at the win rate. Long, it's 60 win rate. Short 8, 48% win rate. Even with that, guys, this strategy, this my own model has edge in this fucking market. Even like here, weekly P&L, Monday and Friday, we are not good in Monday and Friday. Actually, in Monday, we are not good, okay? Because, like, guys, it's the fault. When you start Monday, it's opening of this fucking market. Friday it's closing of this fucking market, okay, and it's the fault, you know what I'm saying. But in Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday we good. This strategy looking good, okay. So guys, this was about the backtesting results. Okay, let's talk now about my strategy. Okay, what my strategy consists of. First of all, it's trend, but it's not necessary in this strategy because we're waiting for sweeping highs and lows and after we opening trades. But if we are going like straight to the bullish trend, we are just straight bullish trend, then we are not opening trades, the bearish trades. Okay, like shorts. We are not opening shorts. We are only opening longs. So second, sweep of sessions highs and lows is the main thing in this strategy. Third, inverse fair value gap. I'm trading with inverse fair value gap, not just fair value gap. Four, TP, put TP session high or low, and stop loss below or above the inverse fair value gap. So guys, right here I have Notion. It's journal. I have here my rules for this strategy. Of course, this is my model and I have my own rules. Macroeconomics concept. It's about the news. If you wanna this this journal, like this photo of this, then you can screenshot here. Screenshot. Okay, you can just screenshot right here, or you can DM me in Discord or in IG. Link will be in description. Then okay, guys. Okay. So let's technical concept. First of all, identify trend, but we don't always work with trend, okay? As I said. Second, mark Asian London low and high for confirmation. Mark previous day high or previous day low. For one more confirmation, you can draw 30-minute supply and demand zones. What does that mean? Like draw supply and demand zone, and if will price react from this zone to your direction, then it's good, you can open this trade. Third, wait for the price to sweep one of these, like for example one of London's high or previous day highs or lows. It's previous day high and previous day low, it's for confirmation. Okay, main thing it's Asian London and Asian high or low. Okay, we're waiting for price to sweep Asian high or Asian low, and after enter from inverse fair value gap. Target Asian London low or high, or previous day and previous day high or low if it's close to your Asian, like Asian high or low, London's high or low. Okay, just just close to your session's high or low. Okay, A plus setups look like this. I will show you this after. Okay, so this is notes if price sweep sessions high or low inside the gap. I will show you what is that gap. So let's start, guys. Let's start. So and enter model, wait for candles body to close above inverse fair value gap. It's not above, it's above or below. Okay, after enter at the end of the candle, put stop loss 5 pips above or below the candle or inverse fair value gap, and avoid entering, it's not necessary. So, and stop loss and TP rules. This was stop loss and TP rules, and this is the trade management. Put stop loss to break even when we hit 1 to 2 of 1 to 3, 1 to 3 of 1 to 4, or 1 to 2 of X. X, what does that mean? For example, your sessions high or low, it's not close to your entering, like it's about a 1 to 7, 1 to 8, 1 to 6, then put stop loss to break even when you hit 1 to 2. Reacts from supply and demand zones. Let me see. Okay, we're good. Reacts from supply and demand zone. If you're, for example, you open short and price started like you going to the down, you enter it right here, price going to the downside, and here you have supply and demand zone. Then, then put your stop loss to break even. So if the price came close to my TP, at the left we have zone, it's supply and demand zone, and the market start give form of the rejection, then I close the trade manually if we came close to my TP main word. Okay, and put notification when price come to levels where I will put my stop loss to break even, trailing, and etc. to that level. It's easy risk management. Open maximum 2 trades per day. Why 2 trades? It can be like price swept Asian high and London's high, although you know what I'm saying, risk per trade 1%. I'm not risking 0.5%. Fuck that. Loss limits per week. It's 4 trades in a week. 4%. Loss limits per day. 1% per day. Minimum risk reward. It's 1 to 2 for 5 minutes. It's actually like only 5 minutes. We're trading only 5 minutes. So routine. It's my routine. It's anyway. It's not necessary. So let's start with backtesting session. Okay. Let's start replay. Not backtesting, Okay, let's start backtesting, but I wanna show you my trades right here. Okay, let me see. So guys, right here, what we have here, I marked Asian high, Asian low. Let me show you this indicator, right here. Okay, FXM Asian sessions range. Okay, this is the like only indicator that you need. Okay, this is the indicator. So I marked Asian high and Asian low. So this is Asian low, this is Asian high. I'm waiting for London session to sweep this Asian high, and he swept. We have here inverse fair value gap, like price this candle, not this candle. I'm waiting for good rejection. Okay, good good movement to the downside. So this was the good movement. So I'm entering right here, put stop loss above this inverse fair value gap, 5 pip above, and after I'm targeting for 1 to 2, for 1 to 3 risk reward, and price hit my TP in 25 minutes. So that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So as you can see right here, this is the first of all, I re-entered right here. We had 30-minute demand zone and 5-minute demand zone at the left. London swept Asian low. We erected from this zone, and I opened first trade right here. It was good candles that closed above this inverse fair value gap, but I re-enter it right here and put my TP right here, and it will be actually, it was good. Actually, we had here 5 minutes supply zone, but you know, it price went through the supply zone. It didn't react on the supply zone, so I didn't put my, you know, my stop loss to break in. So anyway, it hit TP, so to plus 2%. Okay, this was the first. Okay, let me show you. This was this trade. Okay, this is the one more trade. Okay, gap. What is that gap? Gap, it's between these London opening, Asian closing. You know what I'm saying? This is the gap. Okay, this is the gap right here. You see, this is the gap. This is the gap. Okay, and I have rules for this. If price sweep sessions high or low inside the gap and opening a trade aligns with the session's opening, or we open a trade within session, then we are good, we can open this trade. Let's see this situation, what we have. So inside the gap swept this London low, and we have this candle that closed above this inverse fair value gap, and we're putting stop loss 5 pip below this inverse fair value gap and targeting this London session high, and actually we're good. Okay, let's see other situations. Let's say this New York session swept London's low, and we have inverse fair value gap. We open right here, putting stop loss right here. So guys, if you don't know what is that inverse fair value gap, it's like you know, it's inverse. It's like if we have fair value gap, then it's like inverse fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? For example, this is our fair value gap right here. I think you know what is that. So this is fair value gap. If you don't know what is that, I started bootcamp. I'm breaking down right there all of the trading type sheet, all of the my, you know, all of the trend, all of the sessions, all of the fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. Follow my channel and you will learn what is that fair value gap. Okay, this bootcamp for you guys, for beginners, from zero to my strategy. I'm breaking down right there everything that you want, that you need actually. So guys, this is the fair value gap. When price comes to here, you know, went through this fair value gap, then it's it's coming like inverse fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? So this is easy. We have inverse fair value gap. This is the inverse fair value gap. One more thing, like this was fair value gap, so price went through this fair value gap. This becomes inverse fair value gap. This is so easy, guys. So easy. Let's see this. Okay, this look like the A setup. Asian low, London set Asian low. So guys, this is blue. It's Asian session. Green London session. Gray it's New York session. Okay. So price swept Asian low inside, not inside the gap, actually inside the gap, and London swept this low, and after I'm opening right here targeting this shit, and the price hitting my TP in 20 minutes. It's crazy, guys. Crazy strategy. Okay, and we have notes like 4 notes. Okay, if London or New York session swept not a session but just high or low which inside the gap, then we are open trades in one situation if we have good sweep of liquidity. Actually, right here you see this one, he like gap swept this Asian low. Okay, right here, this is our Asian low. Okay, this is our Asian low. This is the gap that inside the gap price swept this Asian low. Okay, and we have notes right here. If London or New York just swept just high or low, not like not like Asian low or sessions high, but just high or low right here. This is the gap, and we have here the this low. Okay, we have here this low, and London serve this low, and we open from this inverse fair value gap right here. Okay, this is so easy, guys. Easy strategies that I made for you guys. Third, it's don't open trade inside the gap. Yep, we only opening trades in sessions, London session or inside the New York session. Why? Because we have, we have rejections right there. We have good sweep of liquidity there. We have a movement there. You know what I'm saying? We have movement there. Okay. Four, it's open in one case inside the gap when the price swept previous day high or previous day low, or after sweeping your sessions high or low, price directed from supply and demand zone. This is like confirmation. This is not necessary, so don't open trade in fucking gap. Just just open trades like this. Okay, let me show you my A plus setup. This is A plus setup, guys. You see this Asian high? Okay, you see this sweep of liquidity right here. London swept this Asian high after we have inverse fair value gap right here. Good as fuck inverse fair value gap. So I opened on this candle because he like good mm, good movement to the downside. You know what I'm saying? For example, this candle not closed below this inverse fair value gap, but this candle closed below this inverse fair value gap. So I open from here, put stop loss above inverse fair value gap 5 pips above, and targeting this Asian low. Of course, we have 5 minute demand zone right here. I'm putting my stop loss to break even when we come to this fucking demand zone. But we got, we didn't hit my stop loss, and this is A plus setup. Not only this, I have here A plus setups. Was A plus setup. This is was A plus setup, but he lost. Of course, guys, even like A plus setups lost. Okay, Asian low, London swept Asian low, inverse fair value gap, good candle that closed above this inverse fair value gap. I opened right here, targeting this. This was 1 to 2 risk reward. Let me show you A plus setup. This was A plus setup too. This is good setup as fuck, guys. Asian high, Asian low, price swept Asian low, Asian high right here, inverse fair value gap, and this candle closed above this inverse, like below this inverse fair value gap, so targeting Asian low. This is so easy, guys. So easy, easy, easy. This is, I showed you this. We have actually many setups. Let me show you this one, guys. Even like this setup lost, or it was break even. Yeah, it was break even. So guys, why it was break even? Because we had here some demand on, you know what I'm saying? So London swept this Asian high, inverse fair value gap, small as fuck inverse fair value gap, but it's good, it's working, guys. This candle closed below this inverse fair value gap, so I open right here, targeting Asian low. One more A plus setup that lost, which lost Asian high, London swept this Asian high, and good inverse fair value gap, open right here that this candle closed below this inverse fair value gap and targeting Asian low. Even it's, even this like closed closed break even. Let me see why this trade closed break even. I don't know. Let me see, guys. 25.003. It's what? January, February. Okay, it's March 2024. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Like April 2024 March. What 2024 March 26. Okay, this one, yeah? Or not? What the fuck? Invert scale. We don't need the shit. So guys, let's see. Okay, we had here Asian high, price swept this Asian. Okay, let me see on 3rd minute, maybe on 3rd minute we have something. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, on 3rd minute we had this 30-minute demand zone, you know what I'm saying? So, and because of that, we hit break even. Okay, we hit break even. This was easy one. Okay, even these trades, even A plus setups, like for example this one, guys. High, you can even like trade like only Asian high or Asian low without even previous day low. You know what I'm saying? But as you can see, previous day low. How? Let me show you how you mark previous day low. It's like we're going to the daily time frame, and this is, for example, we are right now we are in January 28th. Okay, Wednesday. So we're targeting this previous day low, previous day high, and this is previous day low. Like at the top and at the bottom we just mark highs and low, and this became previous day high or low. Okay, this is easy, guys, this is easy. So high, this Asian high, London swept this Asian high, we have inverse fair value gap right here, and I didn't target low because in my strategy minimum risk reward is 1 to 2. So I just target this previous day low, you know what I'm saying? And I open from this candle, because this candle closed below this inverse fair value gap and 5 pip above inverse fair value gap stop loss. So we're good with that, and we hit TP. This was one more A plus setup, guys. This is so, guys. This is the easy strategy. As I said, guys, if you wanna wear the shit, like if you wanna have, okay, if you wanna, you can screenshot this one, and you can screenshot this one, or you can just DM me on Discord or on IG, and I will send you this one, these notes. Okay, so guys, this is the easy strategy, you know what I'm saying? If you wanna trade with me, if you wanna learn this strategy and trade with me, I link will be in description. um I'm doing the, it's Discord access, I'm doing the live trading every single day, live analysis before the opening trade, of course. And my strategy is for free. I'm not selling course about my strategy, you know what I'm saying? It's just trading with me, you know what I'm saying? It's just default. I'm not selling courses. It's for free, guys, for you guys right here on YouTube. Just follow my YouTube and learn my strategy, learn everything from bootcamp, from my strategy videos, you know what I'm saying? Haven't just, guys, one more thing, guys, one more thing. Just backtest this strategy, backtest it, and it's easy strategy, guys. It's just sweeping London high or Asian high low, and after inverse fair value gap, and opening from this fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. It's so easy, guys. Just practice it and you will be okay. You will be alright. Okay. Have a nice day.